is the national.
This is like the second time I fell asleep today.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KJY, 68 Chillicothe, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Rest of today, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms late this morning. Then showers and thunderstorms likely this afternoon. Highs in the lower 7 degrees, west wind tide at 10 miles per hour. And warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hawkins, Jackson, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Benton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY, 68 Chillicothe, Ohio. Here the 11 a.m. Cloudy and 7 rain was falling. Lake Erie. Rest of today, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms.
I think you already do it, like a stupid idiot.
Thunderstorms this afternoon. Winds 1 foot or less. Tonight, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming north 15 to 20 knots. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Winds 1 to 3 feet. Thursday, north winds 5 to 15 knots. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Thursday night, north winds 5 to 15 knots. Waves 2 feet or less. Winds and waves higher and near thunderstorms. The water temperature off Toledo is 77 degrees, off Cleveland 73 degrees, and off Erie 76 degrees. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A cold front will move through today. Cooler and drier conditions will then move into the area for several days. Now here is the official national...
WXJ 93. Come on now.
Today, mostly to the next... Monday. 68. To 10 miles per hour. Midnight. Becoming partly cloudy. At Frank.
KJY 68 did the test twice? Okay. I'm trying to DX here.
Harry, Pickaway, and you. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather. Youngstown. It was partly Monday, partly cloudy. Station time. Here is the nearshore.
Come on. Get yourself together now.
Winds 5.
Alright, that's
Less. Wind. Cleveland 73 degrees. Across 76 degrees.
can't believe I fell asleep right before. Alright, we gotta wait on this.
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the central highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Mansfield-Malone Regional Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 69.